Once upon a time in a bustling city, there lived a young woman named Alisa. She was known far and wide for her remarkable ability to remain calm and composed in the face of adversity. Alisa had a unique power, the power of not reacting. Alisa's journey to this remarkable skill began in her childhood. She had always been an observant and introspective child, often choosing to stay silent and reflect instead of reacting impulsively to the world around her. As she grew older, this trait evolved into an extraordinary ability to maintain her composure in even the most challenging situations. One day, a powerful and ambitious business magnate named Richard came to the city. He was notorious for his ruthless tactics and a penchant for creating chaos wherever he went. Richard's arrival brought upheaval to the city's business community, as he attempted to take control of various enterprises, often resorting to unethical means. Alisa worked as a consultant for one of the businesses targeted by Richard. As tensions escalated, she became the voice of reason within the company, encouraging her colleagues to remain calm and composed despite the chaos caused by Richard's aggressive takeover attempts. She understood that reacting impulsively to his provocations would only worsen the situation. Alisa believed that by maintaining their dignity and focusing on their work, they could overcome the challenges presented by Richard. Alisa's colleagues were skeptical at first, but they decided to trust her wisdom. They continued to work diligently, ignoring Richard's attempts to disrupt their operations. Alisa's composure and her unwavering belief in the power of not reacting inspired her team to stay focused and united. As days turned into weeks, Richard's tactics began to lose their effectiveness. He grew frustrated by the lack of reaction from the company he sought to control. His anger only seemed to fuel the determination of Alisa and her team. Seeing that his tactics were failing, Richard eventually decided to engage in a more civil negotiation with the company. Alisa's poise and her team's dedication had made it clear that they were not to be easily swayed by chaos or intimidation. In the end, the company retained its independence, and Richard left the city, his power diminished by the unwavering resolve of Alisa and her team. The city's business community learned a valuable lesson about the strength that lies in not reacting impulsively to challenges. Alisa's story became legendary in the city, and her name was associated with the power of staying calm and composed in the face of adversity. Her remarkable ability to not react had not only protected her company but also taught an important lesson about the strength of resilience, patience, and wisdom. Alisa's legacy served as a reminder that sometimes, the most potent response to chaos and adversity is not reacting at all. As Alisa's story of the power of not reacting continued to spread throughout the city, it had a profound impact on the way people approached challenges and conflicts. Alisa became a symbol of wisdom and resilience, and she was frequently invited to share her insights at various events and gatherings. Her reputation extended beyond the business world. She started volunteering her time at local schools, teaching young students about the importance of remaining composed in the face of difficulties. Alisa's classes became immensely popular, and she had a dedicated following of students eager to learn her techniques for managing their emotions and responses. Alisa's influence reached even further when she was approached by a renowned author to collaborate on a book about her experiences and the power of not reacting. The book, titled The Silent Strength, became a bestseller, inspiring people from all walks of life to adopt her approach to handling challenges and adversity. One of the most heartwarming aspects of Alisa's journey was the ripple effect she created. People who had been inspired by her story started practicing her techniques, and the city began to transform. The once hectic and conflict-ridden streets became calmer, with people choosing to respond to disagreements and disputes with a level-headed approach. As the years passed, Alisa's influence continued to grow, and her name became synonymous with the idea that strength and power could be found in the ability not to react impulsively. She was frequently sought after for her guidance, not just in the business world, but in personal matters, relationships, and even in political conflicts. Alisa's story serves as a powerful reminder that there is a profound strength in choosing not to react immediately to provocations, and that composure and wisdom can be powerful tools for resolving conflicts and achieving one's goals. Her legacy lives on as a testament to the transformative impact one individual can have on an entire community and beyond.